I know you have great taste, so I think
you.
you're gonna like this house. You wanna come check it out?
For sure, let's go check it out.
Let's do it.
Awesome, thanks. Is this a putting green? Is this part of the house?
Actually, it is. Can you believe it?
Wow.
This house has many surprises, and this is one of them. Have you ever seen a $40,000 door?
I don't think I have.
Isn't this cool?
That is so cool.
Right. And you can see them, but they cannot see
is
you.
that right?
Yeah.
Wow. I want that. Look at this.
Yep.
Is that a projector?
Yeah, so this is actually a Dolby Atmos, like the same that they use at the movie theaters.
Like the movie theater one.
Yeah, this is over $60,000. So just can you imagine watching football game here or just a movie? And it's surround system through the whole house.
Wow.
You have 21 feet high ceilings. I mean, they pay attention to every single detail. So Johnny, let me show you the main bathroom. I think you're gonna like it. So much quartz, and it's just beautiful, yes. So Johnny, I know I show you a $40,000 door, but if you wanna settle for something less, how about a $20,000 garage door?
Okay,
Yeah.
$20,000 garage door. That's my
Let me show it to you.
Wow, this is really a unique home.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
Awesome, I'm glad you like it. I knew you were gonna like it.
Oh, thank you. And you're right, I love it.
Yes.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
No, thank you for stopping by.
Yeah,
Yes, it was nice to see you.
Of course, likewise.
Awesome, thank you.
Okay,
You have a
see you
good one.
soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.